What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And today we're going to go over 8 of the really hot sneakers that dropped here in Manila in the Philippines while I was in New Zealand. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Adidas Profire the moment we hit 10,000 subscribers. And guess what? I think we're just a little over 100 subscribers away from that milestone. So subscribe now and follow me on Instagram. So to those who've been following the channel, you guys probably know that I was out of the country for the last few weeks. I was in New Zealand for a vacation with my wife. Fantastic time. But there were actually a lot of really cool sneakers that dropped here in Manila while I was out. For this vlog, we'll go over 8 of them. There are definitely more. This is not arranged in any order. These are just some of the sneakers that I saw while I was sneaker shopping yesterday over at Makati. Let's start it out with the latest collaboration from Adidas. This one is with Porter, and they came out with an awesome range of shoes and bags. Well, just one shoe and 2 bags that's available over at Commonwealth. So they have the Adidas Porter Campus in black with bright orange stripes. Fantastic shoe, great pop, premium materials. My only issue is the price. It's 8,500 pesos for a Campus shoe. I mean, seriously, that's just overkill. And of course, they have 2 bags, a 3-way brief that turns into a laptop and a shoulder bag, and there was a duffel bag. The first one was 18,000, duffel bag was 21,000. So if you have the money to splurge, if you are loaded, then why not? Available at Commonwealth. Number 2, again, it's not arranged in any order. Number 2, this is the Adidas Kamanda, and I was able to get one for myself thanks to the folks over at Commonwealth. I got the one in the burgundy color. I mean, look at that. It looks sick. You have the burgundy upper, then you have the armadillo-like outsole, midsole. It just looks crazy, man. I mean, seriously, it looks crazy. And if there's one thing I learned with sneakers, the more fun they are, the better. I'm sure there are the ones who will go for the more time-tested classic looks and classic, you know, designs. But for me, having worn a lot of formal leather shoes for most of my life, the crazier the shoe is, the crazier the sneaker is, the better. And the Kamanda is one of them. Number 3, I did a review of this, so I'll put the link down below. This is the Saucony Ever Run 5000 Shadow in 3 colorways. There's the white one, the black one, and the one that I got, the red one. Again, I'll put the link down below of the review. Make sure that you guys check it out. If you are looking for a great running shoe, you definitely have to check out the Saucony Ever Run 5000 Shadow. Number 4, talking about training shoes, we have the new Nike Flyknit trainers in 3 colors. There's the white one, which just looks so fresh and so timeless. There's the blue one, which you can swap out the gray laces for the blue laces, which will give it so much more pop. And then there's the green one, wherein you can actually swap out the lace again and put in the black one, and it would give that really nice contrast. All 3 shoes are now available at Commonwealth for a little over 7,500 pesos. Tried them on myself. Very comfortable, breathable, perfect for the weather, scorching weather that we have here in Manila. It's really hot here. I miss New Zealand. Next up, we have the Nike Komyuter. The Nike Komyuter is perfect for rainy days. So it's not the shoe that you would wear today. It's a bit close, it's a bit tight, it even has a magnetic clasp, but it is water resistant. So when the stormy weather comes, which is just a few months from now, it would be a really great shoe to have. Sells for a little over 7,600, I think 7,500 pesos. Available now at Commonwealth Philippines in Greenbelt. Next up, we have the Nike Air Zoom Spiridon. Now this one really took me by surprise because I never really liked it when I first heard about it. But when I saw it and I held it in my hand, it was a fantastic shoe. The design, the materials, the overall build and quality was very premium. It's not something that I really thought I would see in a particular shoe like that one. Blew me away. Highly recommend it. You guys definitely have to try it on feet though, because there's a way they designed the outsole which is kind of uncomfortable for people with wide feet, at least for me anyway, and that's the reason why I didn't buy it. If it was more comfortable for me, I definitely would have copped it. Sold for, I think, 8,000 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Check it out over at Commonwealth. They came in 2 colors. One in the OG color with the orange, and the second one was more of a white, off-white, silver kind of thing. We have the Adidas Deerupt in new colorways, and this one was just, oh, unbelievably awesome. This is the Gunmetal colorway of the Deerupt. I got it as soon as I landed in Manila. You have the all gray upper Gunmetal upper plus the gum outsole, fantastic color blocking, and then you have just the white accent inside. And of course, it's unbelievably comfortable, guys, with the pillow type Ortholite insole. Speaking of the Deerupt, I was able to buy already for JB, the winner of our 5,000 raffle. JB, watch out for it. I'll try to send it out today. And again, guys, let me just remind you, we are just a few hundred subscribers away from our 10,000 raffle for the Prefer. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you follow me on Instagram so you're part of that. And last but not the least, we go back to Nike. This is their new colorway for the Hurache. I'm not sure if it's called the bronze colorway. I just saw it at the Nike store over at Greenbelt. One of the best color blockings that I've seen for the Hurache silhouette in a while. Let me just give a shout out to Sydney. He's a fellow Filipino shoes or sneaker YouTuber. I think he just started out his channel. He has 2 to 3 videos up already. Great content, great quality. I'll put the link down below. Make sure that you guys support Filipino YouTube creators like Sydney, especially in the sneaker scene. And that's actually it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So please do make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification because you have to be part of the raffle that we will be doing once we hit 10,000 subscribers for the Adidas Prefer. And like what I teased in my previous video, we already have a raffle slated for when I hit 15,000 subscribers. And I even already have one plan when I hit 20,000 subscribers. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and follow me on IG. That's it for now. God bless. Peace. Have a great week.